Is your garage door in the Thirroul area taking too long to respond? A slow-moving garage door can be more than just an inconvenience. It often indicates underlying issues with the opener or mechanical problems that need immediate attention. Don't let a sluggish garage door slow down your day. Call 040-977-4111 now to have your garage door assessed and repaired by our team of qualified professionals. We'll ensure your garage door operates with the speed and efficiency you expect, minimizing disruptions and maximizing safety. Act now and restore the convenience and functionality of your garage door.